If you've ever wished your tasks and events could live in one clean, organized place, this video is going to change your workflow. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to sync ClickUp with Google Calendar in the simplest, most foolproof way possible. By the end, everything from deadlines to reminders will update automatically across both platforms. Let's get started. First, head over to the ClickUp website and log into your account. Just enter your email and password, and if you use a password manager or have two-factor authentication enabled, go through those quick steps as well. Once you're in, you're ready to set everything up. Next, look at the top corner of your ClickUp dashboard and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where all your integration and customization options live, including your calendar sync preferences. Inside Settings, find the Calendar section on the left-hand menu, click it, and you'll see a dedicated option for Google Calendar. Now, simply hit Connect. This is what links ClickUp's tasks with your Google Calendar events. A new window will pop up asking you to log into your Google account. Choose the account you want to sync with ClickUp. After that, Google will ask for permission so ClickUp can access your calendar. Go ahead and grant access. This is necessary for syncing both ways. Once the connection is complete, your tasks will start appearing right inside Google Calendar, perfectly aligned with your existing meetings, reminders, and events. And here's the best part. ClickUp also gives you customization options. You can choose exactly which ClickUp lists or spaces you want to sync, how tasks should appear, and what level of detail you want to show. And that's it. Your productivity setup is officially upgraded. If this guide helped you streamline your workflow, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want guides on other integrations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.